If you want to create a professional email account using your own domain in Namecheap, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can set up a custom business email address like contact@yourdomain.com in just a few minutes. This is a great way to look more professional, build trust with customers, and keep your communication organized. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the hosting list option. This is where all of your hosting services are managed, so click on it to continue. Next, find the hosting account that is connected to the domain where you want to create your email address. When you see it, click Go to cPanel. This will open your hosting control panel, which is where Namecheap manages important features like domains, files, databases, and email settings. Once cPanel loads, scroll down until you find the email section. Inside that section, you'll see several tools related to mailbox setup and email management. Click on Email Accounts. This is the area where you can create and manage all of the email addresses for your domain. On the Email Accounts page, look for the Create button and click it to start making a new mailbox. Now you'll need to choose the domain name you want to use for the email address. If you have more than one domain connected to your hosting, make sure you select the correct one from the drop-down menu. After that, enter the username you want for your email address. For example, you could type contact, info, support, or your own name. Whatever you choose here will appear before the @ symbol in your email address. Next, create a strong password. Make sure it's something secure and difficult to guess, because this password will protect access to your inbox. A strong password should include a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. If Namecheap gives you a password generator, that can be a great option too. Then, scroll down to Optional Settings. If you see the storage option available, choose Unlimited Storage if that fits your hosting plan and your needs. This can help avoid mailbox limits as your email usage grows. If unlimited storage isn't available, just use the default option provided by Namecheap. Once everything looks correct, take one last moment to review the domain, username, and password settings. After that, click Create. Namecheap will now set up your new email account, and within a few moments, your mailbox should be ready to use. After the account is created, you can go back to the email account section anytime to manage it, access webmail, or make changes later on. And that's it. You've successfully created an email account in Namecheap using your own domain. Now you can start sending and receiving emails with a more professional look for your business or personal brand. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.